So let's take a look at the lead hand, lead arm, and how we want to practice and get the feeling for the release of the club through the ball. Now, if we look at it like this, if I put the club here, ball on a high tee peg, set that lead hand, lead arm, set that club in a nice 90-degree angle like so, and I take my trail hand and flip that straight over to the other side, then these two positions are the positions that we want to achieve prior to impact and post impact. These two positions are correct. However, if the ball was here on a high tee peg, I would miss the ball if I did that action. But I do want to appear or achieve this position after I've struck the ball. So if I do it with two hands now, pop it over, my forearms are now touching. If I take a setup position or post-impact position and turn the hips, my forearms separate, and this is the position that you'll see pretty much most of the tour players in post-impact. Now, this is an excellent practice to feel the rotation there in the hand and forearm, but as I said a moment ago, you would have missed the ball. So there has to be that action to bring it back to the ball. Now what happens here is I'm effectively just going to push my thumb and it returns it to square. And if I continue that motion, it naturally wants to rotate through to the position that we were looking at a moment ago. So when we actually make our swing, there's a push of the club down and then it rotates. And this is pretty much an automatic, natural motion. What we don't want is this one, because that is just bypassing the impact position. Yes, that's correct. Yes, that's correct, but we need to hit the ball in between those two positions. And the way that works is there's the same position here. I push the thumb down. I'm not moving the arm, I'm just pushing the thumb down. It returns to where it was at address, and that downward action forces the rotation of the wrist and the forearm automatically for you. Same with the trail hand. There's the thumb going down, so it pushes down. We return to address or impact position, and then it rotates naturally through. So here, if that's my downward towards you, I'm pushing that club down and then it twists through, rotates through automatically. We don't try to twist it in the attempt to get the club head back to the ball. There has to be an unfolding of that hand, and it's a downward pressure, and then it naturally wants to go through a mirror image on the through swing. We can see here, here's my lead arm, lead hand, push the left thumb. Well, what do I do with the right hand? I'm quite right-handed. Well, the feeling here, again, is the same. It's the same movement. So we're here, push it, back, and we're into impact. It's not this one. We don't try to roll the wrists in. It looks like it. You'll see this motion where you see the lead hand, back of the lead hand from here to here. That's correct, but I'd have missed the ball. So there's something missing from that action if I want to hit the ball. That's fine. That's just pure rotation, but we have to have the extension back down to the ball, keyword being down there. We're trying to go back down to hit that golf ball. The rotation tends to come quite automatically when you follow this process. Push, and it's back beautifully. Hold it, hold it. Oh yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. Well, I'm not going to hit the ball now. I'm going to struggle to get that to the ball because it's too late. It has to be in sync. It's not just do that because, well, the ball's not there, it's there. You're going to move and react to that. Go and give it a try, give me a like, subscribe, follow all of that stuff. Until next time, thanks very much for watching.